Learning about history and sharing time with family is time well spent. But no family wants to share their house with rodents. Generations of families have put their trust into Victor Pest Control since 1898, starting with the invention of the spring-based Victor mousetrap. Victor has continued to innovate and lead the pest control industry, keeping your family safe and focused on the important things in life. Today, Victor continues the tradition of innovation, leading the industry with high-tech smart traps that can alert your device when you catch a pest. From traditional spring-based snap traps to sophisticated smart traps and everything in between, trust Victor. We wrote the book on rodent control.